The Chronicles of Ushbebe Live. No holds barred. Yadadi 22.
Okay. Una well done. I foresee Happy New Year. But I see 2023 character they see here. They go call comedian of repute like me to clap call the hand now. Please, if you are not an enemy of progress, clap for me. Then they stream this show live. And family don't sit down, they watch who go walk. Because before I leave, I tell them, sir, they go walk. Now imagine say they don't sit down, they watch who go walk. They will call who go walk to clap with the hand now. In short, I won't spoil everything now. I'll go back, introduce myself again. Whether you know me or not, shout. Whether you know me or not, scream. If possible, faint. Ladies, throw your wig for stage. I lack love. I need some love. It's the month of love. Show me, Dr. Yamu, I see you. When I show me love, ladies and gentlemen, when I not do it like say, I tell you now. It go be like say, Nari. I beg you, if the only way I achieve for my career be this, I'm okay. Please. DJ, you get Dorime, Abi? You get Dorime? Because Lagos Town, I know they respect alcohol past human being. You get Dorime, Abi? I won't go back. Give me some Dorime shit, man. I call the comedy millionaire and they look me at you. No, I won't. Ladies and gentlemen, he has done it in London. Hold up first. Even me well like the line shock. Okay, DJ, let's go. He has done it in the UK, Urobo Kingdom, and now, ladies and gentlemen, all the way from the US of A, United States of Adoranaba in Aja, make some noise for the one we call MC Sean Family. Who they die now? Who they die? Hola DJ, you said they fuck up. You never really travel at all. If I brought DJ, after that kind of intro, the DJ go follow up with something like, I woke up in a new Bugatti. Huh? Not try him. I know where I wake up this morning. It not resemble Bugatti at all. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, you meeting me for the first time. My name is Emiap Bore. Sorry, Dr. Emiap Bore Inarisi of Ajimwe. I was given an honorary doctorate degree over the weekend by the Owelogbo Youth Football Association. Doctorate, Dr. Yamu, you felt insulted. And I never see anything. For convenience, my friends call me Short Family, aka the Comedy Millionaire, aka the Online Landlord in Lagos. I'm a big boy. I have made it. Not just ask what I make, now their problem there. Now, please, my guy, when they talk about Tinubu, please, Tinubu is the best thing that happened to Nigeria. Please, a round of applause for our president. You know, say during Goodluck Jonathan time, you heard about poverty. Poverty was a survey, a study. People were researching about poverty. Now that time they hear Millennial Development Goal, Vision 2020. You just a year about time. But every time you saw poverty saw you. Tinubu now said, why will you just be hearing it? He now brought it to your doorstep. He said, no, you have one-on-one with poverty. And while life Tinubu kind of poverty is a leveler. Both the rich, the poor, everybody they feel up. Somebody, I see one big boy drive Range Rover 2023, enter filling station. Which a year, just a year, put 2 liters. Put 2 liters. I said, even for attendant shock. I said, put 2 liters. For attendant, I said, you mean to? I said, put 2 liters. Are you to tell me what to put? Tinubu, now your mate. And I like the guy first, during the election, he first they do like, You know, all those husbands, when their wife don't catch them, they cheat. So they need to form drunk home. So they just, as they come from office like this, a wife say, who is Cynthia? Cynthia is a town hall. Different from Balablo. I said, no worry. Go sleep. The next day, another thing like that. This also, Bros AY, I greet you. Please, a round of applause for my sponsor. Men I clap. Man, not talk. Man, respect myself. Now, please, if you have been following me, you know, say me and poverty, no, they agree. You know why? Now, poverty go let human become this kind of event. You see fine girl, you not go feel approach am. Your own problem not be say the girl not go gree. Your own problem, what if she can't gree? Where are we going from here? You know what it be poverty? See, if at all, if you don't want to get money, just get money so that you feel they like give people. Elon Musk, within this life, Elon Musk just come say, he don't build hotel for Mars. $5 million per night. You get money to go prove her wrong. So me, I want to lie that kind of life for now. Now, more we will analyze that matter. Imagine say, true, that hotel day, $5 million per night. That's approximately 7.5 billion naira for night. How much they tell you die, wake up? Now, and you know say to sleep hotel alone, not a suite. You go carry girl for 8 years, they call load una for rocket. Launch una go Mars. As you reach Mars, you can't discover say you don't get condom. Baba all die na die you. Now that time you see Nigerian men, actually the HIV they are talking about is on air too. Now I will leave with this, ladies and gentlemen. I was talking about poverty, you don't understand. Please, whatever you do, make sure you get money. You get white. Now only poverty go let you man be wear white or gonna be you. But for example, you come wear white, sit down inside keke, begin to speak stupid grammar. Madam, help me adjust, please. I'm not comfortable. It's like rain is touching me. Or guy, you walk comfortable and not drive your own car. And poor people can they think anyhow. As I dey waka so, make I just see 2 million pick for grant. Who want loss her? For this Tinubu era. So poverty will never be your portion in Jesus' name. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't have all the time. God bless you guys. Very good. Thank you. Ushbebe.
Lagos City, make some noise for Short Family.
The Chronicles of Ushbebe Live. No holds barred. Yadadi 22.